How are you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I've got another radio from Jeff's collection. This is a Prunus, Prunus, model J-110. It's AM, FM, shortwave, MP3, and a Bluetooth speaker. You can get this off of Amazon, brand new. He got it used for $38. And if you're a Prime member, you can get 20% off right now. It has 3 sources of power. It's got a built-in AC converter, and it has a AC cord that plugs in the back, unplugs if we're not using it. It has a built-in rechargeable battery, and you can use 2 D-size batteries, which is what I'm using right now. The shortwave band goes from 5.9 to 18 megahertz. A little short, but that's where the most international broadcast stations are. Jeff got this one used. He paid $45 with free shipping 3 years ago. So the price probably was higher at that time for a brand new one. So we're going to try it out right now. This is the on-off volume. This is the band select. This is the tuning dial, of course, and it has a magnifying little area so you can read the dial a little better. Up here here's the input, USB input to charge the internal battery. Here's auxiliary input, TF card for playing MP3 files, and the USB connector for playing MP3 files, and then 3 buttons for controlling playing back music, and then a mode selection button for going to like Bluetooth, for instance. Turn it on right here. It's got a telescopic antenna, about 15 inches. Turn it on. Oh, it's music. We don't want that. Let's see. I believe I'm on FM. So let's go to AM. That should be AM. Probably directional. Kind of likes that direction for that station. Go down the bottom of the band. It's about 5 o'clock in the morning here in Clearwater, Florida. So we'll scan the AM band. Notice the dial is backlit blue.
Until Christ was raised, because he was to be the first fruit. I'm glad we have Isaiah. I'm glad we have Paul. I'm glad we have Peter and John.
A little bit of interference from something.
God explained the cross.
The largest volume Ford truck dealer in America. Highway 60 and 301 in Tampa. And at BrandonFord.com. Have you downloaded the free iHeart Radio app yet? Just think, you could take WD.
Going kind of fast, stay away from music.
Shoot 48 hours in advance.
Picking up lots of stations.
And understand
Nice and strong.
there in the listener's bunker. You're going to regret what you just said. This says, all right, chaos creeps in slowly. This says...
Tune that in a little better.
Electricity would still take up to an hour for the light from our planet to be reflected back to Earth, so there would be a peaceful glow in this. The team said no.
It seemed like the administration got pretty close, and one of the things...
I was dead, but now I live forever.
So I picked up quite a few stations on medium wave or AM. We'll go to FM, and there we're going to have to scan pretty fast because of the music. At the top of the band. Yep, I must not have the switch in the right position.
Play by
There we go.
TF card.
Oh, nope. Okay, let's go back. The dial here for band selection is a little scratchy, I'll call it. Again, this is a used radio. So that should be AM, that should be FM. Let's see if we got it now. Yeah. Plenty of volume. Yeah, lots of music.
YouTube.com/@stories. Audio-only interviews are
Yeah, I'll leave it
available
there.
on all podcast networks. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok @Stories in the Room. For the latest news,
Lots of volume. I just, excuse me, barely got the volume turned up.
by Christian D. Brune and David.
Do you want to start back your income? He said, but give me something.
Lots of stations. Whoa, yeah.
More. He was I think like in that. That place isn't.
Yep, lots of stations on FM. Excuse me. Might even be a good DX radio for FM. Excuse me, my sinuses are draining. Okay, let's go to Shortwave, which is, where is Shortwave? Oh, all the way this way. That's Shortwave. Bottom of the band, which is, I think, what did I say, 5.9? Hum for some reason. They were getting a hum for some reason. Don't know why. Yeah, we're not going to get much on shortwave with that very, very short 15-inch telescopic antenna. Now let's go to the MP3 player. I've got a TF card in here with some, free YouTube music.
Play by TF card.
Play by TF card. Good sound. Select the next track. It seems to be cutting out. I'm wondering, yeah, and the light went out there temporarily. I'm wondering if the batteries I used, which were older batteries, may not be strong enough. I think that's probably it. Let's see if it plays okay for a while. Sounds really good. Okay, and then of course you can either have a auxiliary input via this port here, or you can connect it to like your cell phone via Bluetooth and play files off your cell phone. I want to thank Jeff for loaning me these radios. Again, you can get this brand new off of Amazon. This is the name of a company. Model number is J-110. It's $38, and if you have a Prime member account, it's 20% off. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye.